Hello students, I am Professor S.S. Patil, Department of Chemistry, Jyoti PU College, Belgaum. This is lecture 1, Solid States. Mass allotted for this chapter are total 7. Weightage contains introduction, types of solid, crystal structure. As already was studied in PUC first year, states of matter, solid, liquid, gas. You can see on the screen the picture solid, liquid, and gas. Solids are closely bonded, liquids loosely bonded, and gases again loosely bonded. What is solid? Solids have definite shape, definite volume, highly incompressible, rigid means hard, constituent particles held closely by strong intermolecular forces, fix the position of constituents. There are mainly two types of solids, crystalline solids and amorphous solid, based upon atomic arrangement, binding energy, physical and chemical properties. Let us say what are crystalline solids. The building constituents arrange themselves in regular manner throughout the entire three-dimensional network. Existence of crystalline lattice. A crystalline lattice is a solid figure which has a definite geometrical shape with flat faces and sharp edges. Incompressible, orderly arranged units, definite sharp melting point, anisotropy, definite geometry, and give X-ray diffraction bands. Example, sodium chloride and cesium chloride. Secondly, amorphous solids, derived from Greek word amorphe, meaning shapeless. No regular but haphazard arrangement of atoms or molecules. Also considered as non-crystalline solids or supercooled liquids. They do not have sharp melting point. They are isotropic, no definite geometrical shape, and do not give X-ray diffraction bands. Example, glass, rubber, and plastics. Types of crystalline structure. There are main structures: ionic crystals, covalent crystals, molecular crystals, and metallic crystals. Let us see what are ionic crystals. Lattice points are occupied by positive and negative ions, hard and brittle solids. They have high melting point due to very strong electrostatic forces of attraction. Poor conductors of electricity in solid state but good in molten state. Poor conductor of electricity means current passing capacity is less. Good conductor means current can pass very fast. Packing of spheres depends upon presence of charge species present, difference in size of anions and cations. There are two types, AB type and AB2 type. Secondly, covalent crystals. Lattice points are occupied by neutral atoms. Atoms are held together by covalent bonds. They are hard solids and high melting point. Poor conductor of electricity. That means covalent crystal does not support to carry the current or to pass the current. Example, diamond and graphite. Third one, Molecular crystals. Lattice points are occupied by neutral molecules. The molecules are held together by van der Waals forces. Very soft solid, have low melting point, poor conductors of electricity. And fourth one, metallic crystal. Lattice points are occupied by positive metal ions surrounded by a sea of mobile electrons. Soft to very hard. Metals have high tensile strength, good conductors of electricity, malleable and ductile. Bonding electrons in metals remain delocalized over the entire crystal and have high density.